Hi there, welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use layer masks in Photoshop. Masks are overlays that can be added to a layer to control what to hide and what to show on that specific layer. These masks are now destructive layers, non-destructive layers, so they provide more flexibility when working with images as they don't permanently delete information in an image. You can use them for hiding parts of an image, cutting out objects, and adjusting specific parts of a photograph in combination with adjustment layers. Let's go ahead and open an image to work on. Let's head over to the layer panel. We see that the background is locked. Head down and click on the layer mask option to work with black and white or gray layer mask. If the layer mask is white, it shows what's on the layer. Black will hide the parts of the layer, and gray will partially hide the layer. So let's try hiding parts of this image. Head over to the toolbar and select the brush tool, or you can press the letter B on your keyboard. We need to reset the foreground and background color. If you don't have the black and white, you can press the letter D, and you can toggle between these two colors by pressing X. Set the size of the brush you want and adjust its sharpness, and head to the layer panel and make sure the layer thumbnail is selected, and start swiping X. Start swiping the image. We are hiding the trees from this image. And here you can see that what we hided is reflected on the thumbnail of the layer mask. So now to reveal these parts of the image, all what we have to do is to press the X key on our keyboard. You can have white as a background and swipe. You can see what we are changing or unhiding here is reflected on the layer mask thumbnail here. And if we like to delete this layer mask, we can go directly to the layer mask thumbnail and drag it downwards towards the trash, and they are asking me to apply mask before removing. We can apply it and we can delete it. Let's delete it. and we are having back the image before, like we started using. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it.